Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video for you and it is Bathbox and this is how it arrives. So as always, if you're new to Bathbox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in September's Bathbox, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Bathbox got in touch with me a couple of weeks ago and they wondered if I would be interested in receiving their box for free in exchange for telling you and showing you all about it on my channel. So I said yes, I love bath products. I absolutely love bath bombs. More so as we're coming into like autumn, winter. I just tend to have more baths then. Summertime, not so much, but definitely autumn, winter time. Definitely a few times a week. I absolutely love it. So thank you to Bathbox for sending this box out to me. So Bathbox costs £9.99 a month and £2.99 shipping within the UK. And they also ship to Ireland and France. So every month you'll receive a themed box and inside you will have a minimum of 5 bath products and they could be from bath bombs, bath melts, bath salts and soaps and more. You can cancel any time and you have to order before the 15th of the month to receive that month's box. So from now they're taking orders for October's box. They ship the boxes out between the 15th and the 25th of every month. Plus you can cancel any time. They also have an online shop and you can buy a one-off box for £12.99 as well. So I think that's all. If I've missed anything out or if I've said anything wrong, I'll pop it down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more, click that, that'll bring up the description and all details and everything will be listed down there. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. It's got a little sheet, it says hello beautiful, and on the back here it's got all the products that are inside this box. Let's just open it up to show you. I've had a sneak peek. I couldn't resist. The smell is lovely. It smells really lovely. So there, that's what it looks like there. So the theme for this month is puddings and it tells you everything about the products and it also gives you a price as well. So I'm able to tot it all up and to tell you at the end how much it all comes to. So the first product is a red velvet chocolate bomb. This is what it looks like there. Woo! There, if you can see better. There you go. So red velvet chocolate. Oh, what's it smell like? I can't smell it because they all smell so lovely. They're all like sort of mingled together. But I'm not sure if I want to open it or not. I will, hold on. Oh, it's definitely chocolate. Definitely chocolate, I can smell it. It's not strong, it is quite a subtle smell, but it's nice. It smells like cocoa butter. That's what it smells like. So it says here, a little bit of luxury cake turns into a little bit of luxury for your bath. Toss it in a hot bath followed by yourself gently and relax. And to buy this, it will cost you £3. So yeah, so that's our first product there. So it's a red velvet chocolate bomb. So it's that. Next we've got a cupcake bath bomb. That is super cute, isn't it? That's lovely. So it looks like there. Let me open it up again. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. This is definitely a stronger smell. The last one wasn't. It was very subtle, but this one, whoo, that smells of sweets. And sherbet. It smells of sherbet. Oh, I like it. And maybe berries? Maybe, I'm not too sure. What does it say? What do you call an island populated entirely with cupcakes? Deserted. Okay. The classic buttercream topping cupcake brought to your bath as this wonderfully scented bomb. And the recommended retail price for this bath bomb is £4.50. Yeah, this is my favourite so far. It's gorgeous. It is so nice. It's quite sweety, but like a sherbety sort of smell. No, I like that. So is that. Then we got something teeny tiny. This is a caramel truffle bath melt. But look in there. That looks good enough to eat, doesn't it? It just like, oh, it's just like white chocolate. It smells absolutely gorgeous. It reminds me of a massage bar I had, I think from Lush back about 20 odd years ago of cocoa butter. I don't know if they still do it, but it reminds me of that. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is so lovely. But yeah, let's see what it says about it. So it says, don't be fooled by this bath melt small size. It's packed to the brim with lovely moisturising buttercream. Pop it into the bath and it'll melt away. And once you're in, leave your skin soft and silky smooth. Due to the moisture-rich butter content, be aware, may make bath slippery. And this is, the recommended retail price for this is £3. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I think that'd be so nice. Really soft and silky skin. Oh, I like that. Then they've added in some Love Heart candles. These are cute. So there's 2 little love heart candles there. What do they smell of? No, I don't think they've got a smell. I don't think so. What's the information say? How cute are these? 2 candles help create a relaxing bath time atmosphere. You know the drill by now. Pop it next to the bath and set it on fire. The candle, not the bath, please. And the recommended retail price for these are 50p. So there's those. Then we've got a lemon drizzle muffin melt. This is what it looks like there. Ooh, oh wow, wow, wow. When you get right up close to it, it smells like it does smell like lemon sherbet. Don't want to sniff too hard because it'll go up my nose. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love anything lemons. Absolutely love anything lemons. And yeah, I can smell it, definitely. I'm not sure if it smells of like a lemon drizzle cake, if that's what it's supposed to be, but it's definitely a lemon smell. It's more like a lemon sherbet. Lemongrass, maybe I can smell in there. That is really, really lovely. I really like that. So what's it say about it? So a personal favourite of ours here at Bathbox. So how could we not put a lemon drizzle cake bomb in the box when we have a chance? The recommended retail price is £3. Then they've added some dried rose petals and there's no information about it. So I'm guessing it's like an added extra freebie. But aren't they lovely? I can imagine that being really lovely in a bath. I've never done that before. Like scatter rose petals on your bed or something like that. Nice and romantic. I don't know. So there's those. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'm going to add them all up as well. No, I can't hold them properly, but these are all the products inside this month's bath box. They come to £14.50, so not much over the actual cost of the box. But if you love your bath treats and you fancy having something sent to your door every month, this is definitely a website to check out. So my thoughts are that some of the bath bombs weren't as strong as I thought they would be. This one is stronger in scent and I absolutely love it. It's my favourite out with a lot of it. They're all really nice, but not very strong. This one here doesn't smell that strong, but maybe once it's in the water, it will bring out, the aromas will come out a bit more. I'm not too sure. The lemon drizzle is gorgeous, but again, it's quite a subtle smell, but it is really lovely. I can't wait to try, you can't see it in there. Can't wait to try this little pot here. That's really exciting me. And yeah, these candles, I think they're cute, and these rose petals. So no, I think overall, it's a really nice, affordable monthly subscription box. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you get bath bomb? What has previous boxes been like? All your thoughts and opinions and everything, please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.